Live now.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are just waiting for the attendees to join, and we'll be waiting for just 5 minutes more.
प्यारी लग रही है
Eminent industrialist, educationist, philanthropist, and freedom fighter, provided the inspiration for the emergence of the APJ Satya Group and the APJ Education Society as trusted symbols of quality and excellence in the country's industrial and educational landscape. A pioneering entrepreneur with a far-sighted vision of the future, Dr. Satyapal was instrumental in the rise of the APJ Group as one of the biggest industrial houses of independent India. As Chairman Emeritus, he has guided the APJ Satya Group to become one of the major corporate houses of the country. He met every circumstance on the battlefield of life with the courage of a hero and the smile of a conqueror. He realized his dream of setting up the APJ Satya University in the year 2010. Starting with a small school in Jalandhar in 1967, the 13 schools and 16 institutions of higher learning established by him over the last 4 decades have become a name to be reckoned with. His was a life richly lived. During his long illustrious career, Dr. Satyapal was actively associated with several social, cultural and professional bodies. His generosity extended to the physically challenged and the needy. Over the years, numerous honors and accolades were bestowed upon him. A true Karam Yogi, Dr. Satyapal retained the zeal for hard work even in his advanced age. To those who have known him closely, he was a very affectionate and down-to-earth person, an embodiment of warmth and understanding. He was extremely fond of children. Every time he'd visit the school, he'd ask to be first taken to the pre-primary section. He never failed an opportunity to shake hands with them and greet them. Perhaps it was the purity of their heart that pulled him towards them. He himself was a persona of simplicity and truth, a sparkling diva, a spiritual soul with a deep insight. He was a dear father figure to us, one who was easily approachable. His visits to the school were cherished moments. It was like the homecoming of a dear one. He was a legend. His passing away has left us deeply bereaved. Like the ever-soaring falcon that inspired Dr. Satyapal through his life's journey, his spirit will live on forever. In Iqbal's words, "Tu Shaheen hai, parwaaz hai kaam tera, tere saamne आसमां और भी है." You are a falcon Soaring high is your nature. There are skies yet for you to conquer, yet for you to conquer.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Chahat, welcome you all to the Founders Day Celebration 2020. APJ Education Society celebrates this occasion with full joy and zeal in the mind and the souls. APJ Institute of Management Technical Campus is guided by a tradition of excellence and integrity of APJ Education Society that has served the field of education for 50 plus years. The name APJ has today evolved as a symbol of quality education. It has shaped the talents and aspiration of a bright young generation. As a logical extension to this endeavor, quality education at all levels has been the primary objective. The APJ Institute of Management Technical Campus is one of the premier institutes of this region. It is committed to ensure its strong identity and status as a center for excellence and education in research.
We all have gathered here to celebrate the 101st birthday of the founder of APJ Education Society, Dr. Satyapal Ji. APJ Education Society was launched on December 4th, 1967, which was registered in Jalandhar. Starting with a tiny school in Jalandhar, the society at present runs 14 schools and 15 institutions of higher education with 32,000 students and 2,200 teaching staff. The society offers through its higher educational institutions courses at graduate, postgraduate and doctorate level on design, arts, humanities, fine arts, commerce, architecture and planning, marketing and management, science and technology, and mass communication, to name few.
The achievements of Dr. Satyapal are too many to be showcased in a short program. He was the man who dedicated his life to the cause of quality education and industry, which can't be captured in the fleeting moments. However, we make a humble effort to pay a tribute to a great man who stood for even greater idols.
Dr. Satyapal, President of APJ Education Society and Chairman Emeritus of APJ Satya Group, was a multifaceted personality. He was an industrialist, an educationist, philosopher, freedom fighter, and a writer in his own right, and was one of the most inspiring personalities of the country with a far-sighted vision of the future. Son of Sri Pyarelal Ji and Srimati Mungavati Ji, he was born on an auspicious day of Dussehra on October 4, 1919 in the village of Chung in Pakistan. He was the eldest of three brothers, Sri Jeet Paul, Lord Swaraj Paul and Sri Surendra Paul. Dr. Satyapal Ji was struck by polio when he was about 1.5 years, and as a result, half of his body was paralyzed. It was a credit of Dr. Satyapal that though physically challenged at such a tender age, his handicap didn't stand in the way of his development and progress. He not only refused to let his studies suffer on this account, but also tried to lead a normal childhood with all its fun and frolic. He recalled how as a child he played hockey in the field and also participated in all the normal activities of life.
Within 1.5 years of Dr. Satyapal's birth, his family shifted to Lahore to join his elder brother, who had already set up a manufacturing unit in the famous Anarkali Bazaar. Very soon, they set up their factory. Their hard work soon paid dividends. By mid of 1930s, they had a flourishing business with about 100 employees working for him. Dr. Satyapal has also contributed to the independence movement. At Lahore, Satyapal Ji resided in the Agarwal Hostel. Dr. Satyapal also got attached to the independence movement and participated in the distribution of anti-British literature. On the Dussehra Day, 1942, Dr. Satyapal Ji was arrested under the Defense of India rules. Thereafter, Satyapalji was lodged in Jalandhar district jail and subsequently for 2 nights in Jalandhar district jail, where he met a large number of political prisoners including S. Karam Singh Kirti and S. Darbara Singh, who later on became the Chief Minister of Punjab. In jail, they freely raised anti-British slogans and sang patriotic songs. Dr. Satyapalji was shifted to Adampur police lockup after 42 days. A week later, he was called back to Jalandhar and released after interrogation of police.
Moving towards his brilliant academic career, Dr. Satyapal, having settled with his family in Jalandhar, started his education in the primary section of Labhu Ram Doaba High School, which was being run at that time at the Arya Samaj Mandir, Jalandhar. There were no desks, benches, or chairs in the classroom. The students sat cross legs on the mats. Urdu was the compulsory subject, and this explained Dr. Satyapal's love for the language, which he carried throughout his life. For higher education, Dr. Satyapal went to DAV College, Jalandhar, where he displayed extraordinary talent in the mathematics, which not only whom applause of all by winning the gold medal in BA honors. Continuing his studies with diligence, determination, and single-mindedness, Dr. Satyapal repeated his brilliant performance in 1941 by securing a distinction in mathematics at the university's MA examination and was once again placed high on the university merit list.
On his returning home from Lahore, Dr. Satyapal again started giving a helping hand to his father. After the demise of his father and being the eldest son, he shouldered the responsibilities of not only running the family business but also managing the family. Meanwhile, Dr. Satyapalji, who had a brilliant career, wanted to take up a teaching assignment. He applied for the post of lecturer in Doaba College but was not selected because of physical disability. Therefore, he was committed to work jointly with his brothers and succeeded in developing the family concern, Mrs. Amin Chand Pyare Lal, as APJ Group, A, P, and J, representing Amin Chand Pyare Lal and Jalandhar. Under his leadership, the group branched into diverse fields as steel rolling, steel foundry, pipe manufacturing, engineering goods, shipping, pharmaceuticals, construction, hotel, and restaurant to become one of the leading industrial houses in the country. It was a great day for Dr. Satyapal when, in recognition of his contribution in the field of education, Thames Valley University, London, awarded him the degree of Doctorate of Philosophy at special convocation held in New Delhi in September 2000.
Keeping in view the special needs of women in India, Dr. Satyapal made a special effort in this field by setting up APJ College of Fine Arts, Jalandhar, where sole objective is to provide young women opportunities for cultivating their talent for music and fine arts. APJ Saraswati College for Girls, Chakri Dadri, Haryana were started in 1974. The third institute of higher education started by Dr. Satyapal for women in 1993 was the APJ Institute of Design, New Delhi. Soaring high is my nature was Dr. Satyapal's motto. He believed in excellence and quality education. He provided dynamic leadership, guidance, financial and administrative support. In recognition of his contribution to industry and education, Punjab's economical development in particular, on September 07, 2005, Dr. Satyapalji was conferred the prestigious Udyog Ratna Award by the Government of Punjab and PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry in India.
Dr. Satyapalji joined Rotary Club Jalandhar in 1960, remained its president for 3 years as chairman of the Handicapped Committee of the Rotary Club of Delhi Midtown. He always helped the disabled, the distressed, and the deprived without seeking any reward or publicity. He also served as the president of the Board of Governors of several schools and colleges in Jalandhar. He was also the president of Gulab Devi Hospital Trust, Jalandhar, for several years.
As regards his love for music, philosophy, and literature, Dr. Satyapal was a lover of Indian classical and light music. In his spare time, he read philosophical books and also liked to listen to bhajans and ghazals. He was also interested in spiritualism, mysticism, and art. Dr. Satyapal was essentially a family man and spent most of his spare time with his family. Dr. Satyapal was married to Srimati Rajeshwari. He considered her to be the main source of inspiration for all his achievements. Our beloved Dr. Satyapal left for his heavenly abode on the morning of June 7, 2010. Now, before starting our celebration, as a tribute to our precious gem of APJ Society, Dr. Satyapal, we would like to rise up with one of his most loved bhajan. As his saying was, to start any of our effort in life, we should always first remind and remember our donor of life, our God. So, without taking much of yours valuable time, we would like to start our celebration ceremony from the beautiful bhajan dedicated to Dr. Satyapal.
So before we start with the bhajan, I think first of all, very good afternoon to all the members of faculty, staff, and my dear students, and welcome to the 101st Founders Day celebration for 2020. So I think there is some technical hitch, Kalwant ma'am, in starting with bhajan.
A very good afternoon to all present here. Firstly, I want to thank Abodi Director Sir for giving me this opportunity, this honor to recite a bhajan on this special occasion of 101st birth anniversary of Dr. Satyapal Sir. प्रस्तुत है भजन तुम आ जाना भगवान.
moving on, may I request our Honorable Director, Sir Dr. Rajesh Pagga, to kindly accord a floral tribute to our founder, President, and read Madam Sushma Paul Burlia, President, APJ Education Society's address.
So very good afternoon to all the members of faculty, staff, and dear students, and welcome to the 101st Founders Day celebration for 2020. My dear students, as you all know, that we have assembled here today to pay tribute to the founder of the APJ Group, Dr. Satyapal Ji, on the occasion of his 101st birthday. Dr. Satyapal was a man of many achievements, and it was his vision that led to the formation of APJ Education Society way back in 1967, with a promise to provide quality education to a large number of students. You were just given a glimpse of the life and achievements of the great personality, our beloved Satyapal Ji. I would like to add that the list of achievements of the great legend is endless, and it includes prestigious awards and accolades. And Dr. Satyapal Ji always worked for the welfare for the masses. APJ Education Society was in fact one such step in this direction. There is no better service than imparting education and empowering the future generation with the power of knowledge. Despite all his accomplishments, achievements, name and fame, he was a humble soul and always emphasized that it is important to impart skills, but equally important that we instill ethics in our youth. As is said, great people always have great ethics and great values. This is what we need to remember in the present times. Winning the game of life means to maintain our integrity. Once our values are clear to us, taking decisions becomes easier. APJ Education Society honors one such student from every educational institution who shows such human values and virtues in their behavior and conduct. Well, the name of this year's recipient will be disclosed in a short while. Before that, let's on that great day, as we remember the noble soul, take a pledge that we will continue to follow his footprints, keep working for our goals, keep striving to become good professionals and ethical humans. With this, as our solemn tribute to this great man, Let us also promise ourselves to take our institute to greater heights of success, which will be the best gratitude that we can pay to Dr. Satyapal. My dear students, on this is a special momentous occasion, as this is the 101st birthday anniversary of our founder of APJ Education Society, Dr. Satyapal ji. And this is a great historic event as well. As yesterday, I think you must have joined the APJ Education Society organized for all over the institutions, in which more than 3,000 participants were there to celebrate, to commemorate the 101st birthday anniversary of our beloved founder, Chairman Dr. Satyapal ji. So the human values, Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values, you can see the vision of this legendary man way back since long. Dr. Satyapal ji was focused on human values, and you can understand as per the new education policy, and since last 7-8 years, all universities, they are incorporating the subject of human values in all the streams. That may be the BTech, that may be the MBA, that may be the computer applications, or any of the undergraduate or the post graduation. So the way back, this legendary man thought of the concept of human values and imparting skills within the culture of all the youth of the country. So we salute the founder chairman, Dr. Satyapal ji. So before proceeding ahead, I am going through the message which is being sent by the President ma'am, the only child and daughter of Dr. Satyapal ji, Madam President Sushma Paul Barlia ji. I am just reading out the message. So it is President's message for Founders Day 2020. For all the students, my dear students, today is the 101st birth anniversary of Dr. Satyapal, founder chairman of APJ Education Society, APJ Satya Group and APJ Education Society, a day that we celebrate each year as Founders Day. An eminent industrialist, educationalist, freedom fighter, and philanthropist of the highest order, the life is shining example of how we can overcome all odds to achieve our dreams and become a beacon of inspiration for all around us. Commemorating his birthday is our way of paying tribute to his determination, hard work, and spirit of excellence that helped us rise from humble beginning and overcome physical disabilities to become one of the most successful and respected men of this nation. You must have you must have shared some details of his life and work with all of you, but words cannot merely depict and reflect the illustrious achievements of his life or the depths of his multidimensional personality. I would like to, however, take advantage of the occasion to mention a few things which stand out in my mind, some feeling which I would like to share with all of you. The eldest of 7 children, Dr. Satyapal, lost his mother at a very young age and father a few years later. As an elder son, business and family responsibilities came to rest on his shoulders very early in his life. They were shouldered with lots of love and affection, and from then onwards, he developed the trait of putting others before himself. He was, if anything, a living example of modesty and humility, and preferred to let him work speak for him. He had the valuable qualities of hard work, fearlessness, and love for truth, and these stood him in good stead as he pioneered the APJ Satya Group into industrial conglomerate and the APJ Education Society, which is the social commitment of the group, into one of the most respected and successful educational organizations of India. Under him, 24 APJ institutions, schools, colleges, and higher institutions have come up and flowered to become symbols of excellence in their various disciplines, molding the life and careers of all future generations. Year 2010 also saw the realization of his dream of setting up of the APJ Satya University, a world-class university that would not only be seat of global learning, but also one that brings about transformation of society through value-based man-making and nation-building education. Once I had asked him as to how, from humble beginning, he had been able to turn APJ Satya into one of the biggest success stories of the nation. He had replied that he had only concentrated on working hard with dedication and commitment, as he believed that work is worship. He said along the way, he met talented and committed people who joined him in the quest for excellence, and good things kept happening. Over the years, he has been actively associated with the several causes in the field of industry, education, and social uplift. Kind, benevolent, and ever ready to help all, he left a lasting impact on all those he came into contact with. All this was done quietly. He never took any credit, only liked to pass it around. He desired no monuments or awards for himself, though over the years innumerable awards and honors have been conferred on him by governments, universities, and organizations for his contribution to the development of nation in both education and industry. Dr. Satyapal was always a positive thinker who faced all of life's with a smiling countenance, never say die attitude, and an unflinching faith in the Almighty. Though he was a hard taskmaster, his punctuality, sense of discipline, dedication, and focus made him an ideal role model of excellence for all those who worked with him. For him, work was passion, and he hated to miss office even when he was ill. He was a sharp memory for people, was an excellent listener apart from being a good orator and a writer. He was a lover of Urdu poetry and had a deep interest in spiritualism, philosophy, culture, and arts. He had a keen insight into events and people and loved the company of children. He always remembered those who helped him and was a friend of friends. He has kind words for even those who oppose him. Once, many years ago, Swami Ranganathan of Ramakrishna Mission said three words to him: be a man. This, my father told me, changed the entire perspective of his life. Today, I would like to tell everyone that this is what he had always been in the life and deed: a man, in the true sense of the word, a Purushottam. So, as we remember and honor him on his 101st birth anniversary, let us celebrate both what our founder chairman, Dr. Satyapal, was and what he stood for. Let us take a pledge to uphold the legacy of excellence that he leaves behind and strive to achieve the goals to which he devoted his life. I would like to end with one of the favorite Urdu couplet of my father, the inspiration behind his life and motto of the APJ Education Society: soaring high is my nature. तू शाहीन है, तू शाहीन है, परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी है. तू शाहीन है, परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी है. You are a falcon, soaring high is your nature. You are a falcon, soaring high is your nature. There are skies yet for you to conquer. There are skies yet for you to conquer. My dear students, so my best wishes to all of you. And once again, thanks for being a part of the momentous again of 101st birth anniversary of founder chairman of APJ Education Society. And as discussed, later on, every year, Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values, it is announced and it is bestowed to one student every year. And again, this time, all the faculty members, all the deans, they shortlisted number of students, and finally 14 students, they were interviewed by the panel of experts, and further Four students, they filled one questionnaire which was sent to APJ Education Society, Delhi. And finally, one name it is given by the society to confer with the award for Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values. So later on, we are going to announce. So please continue with the next proceedings of the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on, I would like to invite Ojas Sharma from BCA Semester 3 for special talk on Soaring High is My Nature.
A very warm and ecstatic afternoon to all present to celebrate this auspicious occasion of Founders Day celebration. Today, I am here to inspire you all with motivational saga of this great leader and founder president, Dr. Satyapal. His life was filled with full of morals and educational characters which shaped the foundation of our institute. He had a very humble beginning. He was born on October 4, 1919 in Lahore. At the mere age of 2 years, unfortunately, polio rendered him handicapped. But his ambition and determination led him to the path which very few dared to travel. In spite of being handicapped, he completed his BA honors with keen interest in mathematics. Year by year, he bagged many positions in his university. Unfortunately, he was rejected from some universities from the post of lecturer, but this does not broke his this does not broke him, and he kept on going on. Despite of being handicapped, he is recognized as an educationalist, philanthropist, and an industrialist. I believe everyone should take all of these things and his ability to achieve from him. And after reading about his life, I believe that there is nothing impossible in this world. He had a zeal to achieve everything, and he kept on going to push himself to go above and beyond. Everyone should also learn that not only education is important, but morals also play a very valuable role in developing a character. Everyone should practice morals as well as with education. In the end, I would like to put up this quote written by Mr. Iqbal. तू शाहीन है, परवाज है, तेरे सामने आसमान और भी है. Which translates to, you are a falcon, soaring high is your nature. There are skies ahead of you to be conquered. And each member of this education society believes in being the best, as soaring high is our nature. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your valuable thoughts with us, Ojas. Now, I would like to invite Manisha Sharma from MBA Semester 3 for solo song performance.
ओ रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था. ना देख मुझे ओ मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था. ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझी. तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझी. हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावां
Sorry for the interruption. I think Manisha lost her connection.
We can move forward till then.
Yes, sure.
I would like to invite Sheetal Dalwal for another special talk from MBA Semester 3.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिलों में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? A very good afternoon to one and all. Today, I, Sheetal Dalwal, on this very auspicious occasion, would like to share my thoughts on soaring high is my nature. I would like to start with a small story called The Shark and the Bait. A marine biologist was conducting a research experiment. As part of an experiment, she put a shark into a large holding tank and then introduced several small bait fish into it. What do you expect will happen with the bait fish? The shark quickly swam around and ate the small bait fish. The marine biologist then decided to introduce a small piece of clear fiberglass into the tank, creating two separate partitions with shark on one side and bait fish on the other. The shark quickly attacked. However, this time it slammed into the fiberglass and bounced back. Undeterred, it kept on repeating its behavior every few minutes. Eventually, about an hour into the experiment, the shark gave up. The experiment was conducted several dozen times over the next few weeks. Each time, the shark got less aggressive and made fewer attempts to attack. Eventually, in the upcoming week, the shark gave up, and at one point of time, it completely stopped attacking. The shark was trained to believe a barrier existed between it and the bait fish. That happens to many of us. After experiencing setbacks and failures, we emotionally give up and stop trying. We continue to see a barrier exist in our heads, even when no real barrier exists between who we are and where we want to go. We should remember that success is inspirational, but only failure is educational. The problems are like onions. The more you peel, the more you cry. The deeper you go, there is nothing inside. It's okay to cry. Cry as hard as you want, but just make sure when you are finished crying, you never cry for the same reason again. The difference between a piece of charcoal and a priceless diamond is the amount of pressure it has endured. Because a diamond is nothing but just a piece of charcoal that handles stress exceptionally well. Pressure can burst a pipe or make a diamond. The choice is yours. We all love to quote the saying that Rome was not built in a day. But we fail to remember that Rome was eventually built, and it must have been so magnificent that when people admired it, they were told it didn't happen in a day. The question which arises, if Rome was not built in a day, then how was it built? The answer is, it was built every day. Trying every day harder will result into success. When asked what success means to me, success to me means Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, who was rejected in 30 interviews he gave. Success to me means Cristiano Ronaldo, a boy who had a heart disease where he was told by the doctors he cannot run, but he made history in football with his consistent efforts. Success to me means APJ Abdul Kalam, who used to sell newspapers, and then a day came when he was on the front pages of every newspaper. And finally, success to me means Dr. Satyapal Ji, who became physically challenged at a very tender age, but against all odds, he stood out of the crowd and became the president of APJ Education Society. What is needed is only the belief. Just believe you can. And at the end, I would like to say, कामयाबी किस्मत से नहीं मेहनत से मिलती है। कामयाबी किस्मत से नहीं मेहनत से मिलती है, क्योंकि फूल यूं ही खिला नहीं करते, बीज को दफन होना पड़ता है। Thank you very much.
Thank you for sharing your valuable thoughts, Sheetal. Moving forward, I would like to invite Manoj from MBA Semester 3 for his solo song performance.
ਸਾਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੀਮਟ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਐ हर सा नाल चेता तेरा आऊगा सां दी लिमट जिन्नी रहिंदी है हर सा नाल चेता तेरा आऊगा सां दी लिमट जिन्नी रहिंदी है हर सा नाल चेता तेरा आऊगा हो लोकी कहंदे मर के नी नाल गुजे जांदा मैनू लगदा प्यार मेरा जाऊगा मैनू लगदा प्यार मेरा जाऊगा ला 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 गुलाबी आंखें तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया भालो मुझको मेरे यारो मला मुश्किल हो गया दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीरें जैसे हो दीवारे पर मैं क्यों हुआ पे फिदा आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यारे पर मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा क्या कहूँ मैं दिलरुबा बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का ये मेरा कातिल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया तू रोएगा पछताएगा हाथे कन्ना नू लाएगा तू रोएगा पछताएगा हाथे कन्ना नू लाएगा दिन विच ही दिस हनेरा सुनना है चार चफेरा याद मेरी ने यारा तेनू पा रहना है मेरा जे तू मुड़ के ना मेरे कोली आया वे ना बदल दे मेरा ना बदल दे मेरा जे तू मुड़ के ना मेरे कोल आया वे ना बदल दे मेरा मेरे रशी के कमरी तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया मेरे रशी के कमरी तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया तेरी ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगह छोटे दिल पे झुकाई मजा आ गया मेरे रशी के कमरी तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया
What a beautiful performance. Thank you so much, Manoj.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving forward, I would like to invite Manisha from MBA Semester 3 once again to continue with her performance.
रांझिणा वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। हाँ हाँ हाँ। Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha, for a great performance.
Thank you.
Moving on. Believe in yourself and you can achieve. Believe in yourself and you can reach. Believe in yourself and you can conquer. Believe in yourself and you will be blessed. As God's very own special creation, so vast and mighty is the structure. Soaring high and high was his nature. A shady tree, so vast and tall, was our respected Dr. Satyapal. So, on this note, I would like to call Navneet from BTech SEM 3rd for special talk on Soaring High is My Nature.
Soaring high is my nature exemplifies that academic excellence must go parallel with human excellence. It is not disgrace if the dreams are unfulfilled, but it is if we have no dreams to dream. It is not disgrace if the dreams are unfulfilled, but it is if we have no dreams to dream. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Navneet Kaur, student of Computer Science Engineering, semester 3rd of APJ Institute of Management and Engineering Technical Campus. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Founders Day. There are a million people out there that will tell you that it's easy to be successful, that you can be wealthy beyond your wildest dreams by working 2 hours a day, that you can find your dream partner by swiping left and right of your phone. That's bullshit. You want your dream life? You want your big house? You want a partner that loves you with their true heart. All that at stake is a promise that I won't stop. 5 years of toil, 5 years of pushing yourself, 5 years of evolving you, 5 years of your life and your mind, 5 years of uncertainty, 5 years of fear, 5 years of society telling you that you can't. That all it takes. The road to success is not easy. And on the other hand, it is not fun. And it is also not without sacrifice. But it is very simple that I won't stop. Not till I make my million. Not till I have conquered my mountain. Not till I lead the life I deserve. I won't stop. Every day, we have 24 hours to move one step closer to your dream. That's it. That's all we have to do. A single step every day. People call it transformation. They are wrong. It's evolution. To exemplify, Dr. Satya Paulji, founder president of APJ Education Society, is an eminent industrialist, educationist, and a philanthropist. Although he suffered physical handicap caused by polio at the age of 2, but he overcome his disability and humble beginnings to become one of the most respected men in his nation. In the end, I have to say that you adapt, you improve, you grow. When you make promise to yourself and keep that promise to yourself, you won't notice the change after day. You won't notice the change after week. Even you won't notice the change after a month. But one day you will be sitting at the top of whatever mountain you have decided to conquer and be grateful that you have made 3 words promise to yourself that I won't stop. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Navneet, for your enthusiastic words. So now I would like to call Sir Daljit Matharu sir to announce the winners of poster making competition.
Thank you. So, on 101st Founder Day celebrations, we had conducted a poster making on the theme Human Values and Ethics. So the rules for the events were: the poster should be made on a full chart size sheet, and drawing include pencil to be used. Magazine cuttings and newspaper cuttings were not allowed. Photographs, wires, 3D objects, printouts were not acceptable. Original and handmade product was to be acceptable. And student have to write the basic details about himself. And we were expecting the student to send 2 snaps, one for the poster and other the student holding the poster in hands, so that it presents that he or she has presented his or her original product. So the judgment criteria was the relevance to the theme of the poster, definitely originality, artistic composition, and creativity. So the participants who participated in this competition, poster making competition, and we are going to show you the first one, T3, Akshita Shore from BC1. So you can go through the poster. So it's her product. Then we have the second participant, Amisha Chagar from BCA1. Her team code was T6. And then we have T11, Kovarajay Pal Singh from BCom Honors first semester. And then we have Anjali Sharma from MBA third semester. T7 was her team code. Then we have Arjun Sharma from BTech semester 1. His team code was T5. Then we have Hani Patania from BTech semester 1. I'm trying to move it slower so that you can see the product as well. So then we have Jia Sharma from BBA first semester. So her team code was T9. Then we had Manjot Kaur from BTech first semester. Mansi Rani from BTech semester 1. Her team code was T8. And then we have T4, Manya Vadera, our student from BBA third semester. Sheetal Dadwa, a student of MBA third semester. Our team code was T12. And finally, team code T2, Soham De from BCA 1. So now I call Director Sir, Director Sir, to announce the winners. Over to Director Sir.
Thank you so much, Daljit. So all display are wonderful, but now starting from the third to first, the third prize, it is backed by jointly two people. One is BBA first semester and BBA third semester student, Manya Vadera and Sajia Sharma. So big round of applause for both of them. Third prize goes to BBA third and BBA first. And second winner in case of poster making competition, human value and ethics, it goes to Sheetal Dadwal of MBA third B. So once again, big round of applause for Sheetal Dadwal. And the first prize, it goes to BCom third semester student. It is Kamar Ajaypal. So congratulations all the winners of poster making competition. So big round of applause for all the winners. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to share the posters as well, the winning people, just for 1 minute only. So here are the winners as told by Sir. So third winner jointly shared by Jia and Mane, and then Sheetal and Ajaypal. Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations to all.
Thank you so much, sir, for announcing the prizes for poster making competition. Congratulations to all the winners. Very well done. Moving on. Every year, the APJ Education Society honors one student with Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values from each of the educational institute. Right values are important as they lay down the foundation for individual growth, social reconstruction, economic progress, and spiritual development. It is his endeavor to teach ethical and moral values to the students under the guidance of their faculty.
The selection criteria for this award are schoolwork habits including punctuality, obedient, creative, problem solver, display leadership ability, manners including sharing, being courteous, helpful nature, pleasant personality, honesty including fair-minded, trustworthy, reliable, truthful, and respecting the rules.
This award carries a citation and a cash award of Rs 5,000. May I request our Honorable Director, Dr. Rajesh Bhagga, to please formally announce the recipient of Dr. Satyapal Award for the year 2020.
So thank you so much. Again, reason being, it is the 101st birth anniversary of our founder, beloved chairman, sir, Dr. Satyapal ji. And I think the selection criteria being discussed by Chahat and by the co-host. Friends, let me share, winning or losing, it is not a matter, but right now, for all of us, for all of our faculty, all members, those are even being shortlisted for this Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values. They are basically Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values. They are awardee of the same. but definitely reason being the award is to be given to one person. So the cash prize in the last year, it was increased to rupees 10,000, Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values. And in this case, this time around 14 students, they were shortlisted. Then they were interviewed by the panel of around 5 teachers. Then further, the 4 students, they were shortlisted further. Then they were supposed to fill one questionnaire being sent by the head office, APJ Education Society, New Delhi. That the same questionnaire was sent to the society, and after evaluating all the questionnaires, one recipient is to be announced. So not taking much of time, reason being now all students, they must be thinking who is the winner of year 2020. Reason being that 2020 is a tough year as well because of the COVID times. But now I'm going to announce, and this time the society has bracketed 2 winners as Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values. So this time it is to be shared jointly by 2 students, and naming the 2 students, should I name or so this time the 2 names are, naam kahan gaye bhai, हाँ जी, so नाम तो by chance है सामने. So this time jointly Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values, it is being shared by Karman Walia of MBA 3rd semester, as well as Rashmi Talwad of MC. So congratulations to both the winners. Wish you all the best, and all the remaining students. So I wish you all the best. For us, you are also the award winner. So thank you so much. And whenever you will be visiting the campus, definitely we are going to give you, but virtually, the certificates we can give right now. So thank you so much.
Now I would like to call Pooja ma'am for the further proceedings. And thank you so much, sir, and congratulations to the winners.
Thank you, Chahat. Very good afternoon to all, and I congratulate Rashmi and Karman for this great achievement. And it gives me immense pleasure to read out the profiles of both the students. Rashmi Talwar is a student of MCA 5, and she has done BCA also from APJ Institute of Management and holds a brilliant academic record. Rashmi has bagged university position consecutively twice in 2018 and 2019. She has also bagged first position in various inter-college competitions like group discussion, elocution. She stood first twice in elocution in 2018 and 19. And she also bagged first position in best out of waste competition, which was again an inter-college competition. Congratulations, Rashmi. We are so proud of you. And I also congratulate Karman. Karman is a very active social worker, and she loves to do charity for various NSS camps, and she is also a very active member in all educational camps and blood donation camps also. She has some very good achievements. She's been the director in the year 2017-19 for Youth Club. She has also been the director in Rotaract Club 2019, and she has also won Best Candidate Award in Student Welfare Association 2019. And she has also won being the most energetic person in 7-day NSS camp in 2019. We are so proud of you, Rashmi and Karman. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Rajneesh Arya, Dean School of Management Studies, to propose a vote of thanks.
The flower withers, but the seed remains. We shall to rejoice the presence of our beloved Dr. Satyapal all throughout our lives. His ideals and vision will always inspire and serve as a beacon of light for all of us. Good afternoon to one and all. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Rajesh Bagga, our director, APJ Institute of Management and Engineering Technical Campus for his support and guidance in organizing Founders Day celebrations. I would also like to thank all my colleagues and dear students for being a part of this occasion. Last but not the least, I would like to thank press and media personnel for covering today's celebrations. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request all of you to please stand up for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
With this, we come to an end of Founders Day celebrations. We once again thank Director Sir, faculty and students for being present here today. Thank you so much all.
Thank you so much,